By the way, Prem,
Yes, darling.
I'm really worried about you.
Why?
The way you're treating your husband, like it's not right.
Come on, girl. That is what he wants. It's how he wants to behave. By the way, just know men are so evil. My dear, men are so evil. Just know.
I don't think so. He really loves you. Your husband loves you a lot.
No. How I wish you were me.
Why are you saying that?
Because I know my husband. There are things that I can't tell you.
Prem, I don't want you to lose your husband. Because this is really getting out of hand.
Anyway, thank you very much. You're such a sweet.
And I love you too, my dear. I'll always be here for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.